Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about my home battery backup system. This video is not sponsored and everything has been purchased out of pocket. These were purchased after Hurricane Beryl. We had no power for 4 days and pretty much lost everything in the fridge. My husband wasn't happy about losing all his game meat, so if you have specialty items in the fridge or even medication, a backup system is something you should think of getting. We thought of getting a Generac or a tri-fuel generator, but I didn't want something I had to maintain often. And if for some reason my family and I were to move to a different house, I wanted something that we could take with us. If you get a Generac installed or get solar panels on the roof, it's pretty much staying with the house. Here I have two Delta Pro Ultras. Each of my inverters have 3 batteries, and each battery can hold 6 kilowatts. With 6 batteries, it's totaling 36 kilowatts if everything is charged to 100%. These were purchased at Costco when they were $1,000 off. They do this sale often, so check their website every now and then for the deal. Buying it from Costco during its deal is cheaper than Ecoflow's website. It even beats their Black Friday prices. Each inverter can have up to 5 batteries, so in the future I'm hoping to purchase 4 more batteries. Before purchasing all of this, I was torn between buying Anker or Ecoflow. I went with the Ecoflow Delta Pro Ultra because it seemed like a better backup system for the entire home. These units come on 4 wheels, but I wouldn't call them portable. I can wheel them around the room easily, but I cannot pick them up by myself because each battery is over 100 pounds. Back here, I have a 50 amp hub. You can plug 2 inverters to have an output of 50 amps. Right now, I have a Tesla charger connected to it. I like to plug in my Tesla 2 to 3 times a week just to use my Ecoflow batteries. The reason I do this is because if it's not charged or discharged for more than 6 months, the battery is not covered under warranty. And it's also not good for your battery to just sit for a long time. I'd like to note that if you want to charge your Tesla, you'll need to buy a neutral ground plug like this. You only need 1 plug even if you have more than 1 inverter. But honestly, in an emergency situation, I wouldn't charge my Tesla because most likely I'd have the vehicle charged to 100% before a storm, and I want to save all my energy for my refrigerators, internet, some electronics, and some lights. I only charge the Ecoflow batteries to 100% if I know there's going to be rolling blackouts or if there's going to be a storm coming. Most of the time, I'll have the battery at about 60 to 85%. Here is an access panel where I run my wires. I didn't want to store my batteries in the garage because it gets hot here in Houston, so I cut a hole in the wall. I'm not a professional and I'm not an electrician, but just by watching some YouTube videos, I decided on what the best setup for me would be. On the other side, I have my wires running along my garage door and under my roof to the backyard. Here is my 50 amp generator inlet, my breaker box, and my 50-foot generator cord. This cord connects to the 50 amp hub. I've never seen a generator cord before, so I was surprised at how heavy and bulky this thing was. It's the reason why it's still in this box. Eventually, hopefully, I'll find a better way to organize this. Here are the solar panel cables at the back of the house. These are connected to 2 400-watt panels. These portable panels are by Renogy and they fold like a suitcase. They each weigh about 30 pounds, so I'm able to move them around. They are very sturdy and have 4 metal kickstands in the back. I like these better than the portable panels by Ecoflow because with the Ecoflow panels you have to connect it to its case and its case acts as its stand. I also love how I can just hose these Renogy panels down if they get dirty. Overall, I'm happy with the batteries and panels. In the future, I'd like to buy more panels and batteries, but for now, this should last us a few days running critical items. I'll leave some links to the products I used in the description. Again, I'm not a professional, I'm just a mom that doesn't want to leave the house to hunt for gasoline or have food spoiling in the fridge. Thanks for watching!